We're G's makers and breakers, and we have too much stuff with not enough space. GE Grid Solutions is located in Charleroi, PA. They produce high voltage live and dead tank circuit breakers, as well as high voltage instruments transformers as depicted below. Our problem statement, we have a high volume of material coming into the current inventory warehouse, and the space is not optimized to handle this demand. And the current inventory warehouse is not optimized for kitting nor the first in, first out system. All of these lead to productivity issues, kitting errors, and difficulty supporting increasing demand. Our overall objective is to maximize inbound functionality, the current inventory warehouse, and apply our findings to create layouts for a future inventory warehouse.
We wanted to break our analysis into three main parts, starting with finding reorder points to reduce the volume and capital taken up by company identified problem parts. Next, we looked at material volume and location of parts in the current and future warehouse, as well as we compared warehouse capacities. For our first alternative, shelf space is 570,000 cubic feet, which is 145% increase compared to the current warehouse. And alternative two, shelf space increases to 600,000 cubic feet, which is a 157% increase. Now, keep in mind, this was an iterative process, so the shortcomings of alternative one, we made better in alternative two.
In order to evaluate our alternatives, we calculated layout efficiency ratings using the relationship diagram shown on the right. For the current warehouse, we had an efficiency rating of about 30%. The first alternative was at 33%, and the second alternative was at 45%. These values might seem a little bit low, but that is because we had that it was important that every department is near the receiving and the shipping bay. However, this isn't logical, and we can't really make that happen. So the important thing here is that the values improve upon each other, not necessarily that they're super high. And then also to evaluate the alternatives, we looked at rectilinear distances between the centroids of departments. So for the current warehouse, the distance is about 2,300 feet, which is the smallest of the three values, but that makes sense just because the current warehouse is considerably smaller than the new warehouse we're developing. Alternative one had a distance of about 3,300 feet, and alternative two had one of about 3,000 feet, just showing that alternative two has shorter distances, and ultimately we chose alternative two for our solution.
So just moving into some of our other solutions to ensure the success of alternative two, we wanted to introduce the Honeywell CK65. We chose this gun to reduce their picking mistakes, as well as because it's easily integratable to their overall system. Some of the material handling solutions that we devised, we split into three different sections: receiving bay, put away, picking, and dock management. And we recommend that they buy one high-rise scissor lift to minimize risky bends, and 4 narrow aisle forklifts for the main jobs. For visual management, we have 5 separate sections here, but they all follow the same theme of signage and potential indicator tape for parking or where things might need to go. And then ultimately the implementation of a barcode by bay system and totem barcode keys to manage inventory. Thank you for listening. Does anyone have any